Today I wanted to share with you the 5 things that I keep in my emergency radio kit to keep all these good things in one spot. You just got to get prepared. If you have an emergency radio, then these items I'm going to talk about today are going to be things that you might want to consider keeping with your kit so that this radio or whichever radio you have will be able to work to its fullest potential. The first item in the emergency radio kit is, of course, the radio. This here is the Kaito Voyager 500. I think it's a great little radio, but any radio you have will work with this kit. This is just one that I've enjoyed using, and so that's why it's part of my kit. But with this, bring your owner's manual. This one is very intuitive, it's easy to work with, but an owner's manual is always helpful in case you forget how to do something. The second item on the list is backup batteries. These particular batteries are from Energizer. They're the lithium variety, and as you can see here, they have a 20-year shelf life. That was something I was excited to see because that means I can kind of put them in this kit and forget about it, and hopefully 20 years will come and go and I never need to use them. But if I do, here they are and they're ready to go. And this particular radio has an ability to, it does have an onboard battery, but it also has the ability to put 3 additional batteries into it. So these batteries give me a backup option for the built-in battery. The next item is this antenna. This is a 23-foot long cord that can be stretched out in case you're not getting very good reception. And all you have to do is take this little end, attach it to your radio, and now you have an extra 23 feet of antenna to be able to pick up the signal that you're after. So hopefully that is a helpful little accessory if you're not getting very good signal. The next item in the kit are these retractable headphones. Just these little earbuds that have this neat little system so that they're able to wind back up. They just have a standard headphone jack, and then on this particular radio, on the back side here, there's just a place where you can plug these in. Now what's nice about this is if you're in a situation where you want to be able to listen to information but not need everyone else to hear it, or maybe everyone's sleeping, this is a way that you'd be able to hear that information and be able to keep quiet in camp as well. The next item in the kit is this charging cable. Kind of the same idea as the headphones. It has a retractable sort of system to try to help keep everything organized. The USB on the one side and then multiple different adapters on the other side. So depending upon what you're needing, hopefully this particular one has what you need to make it happen. But look around, there are a lot of different options depending upon what kind of devices you might want to be charging. So what's neat about this is I can use it to actually charge the radio because it has the right adapter for that. If I can get it right. So if I can have a place to plug this in to a USB, I can charge the radio, or I can use the radio to charge other devices by plugging the USB into the radio and then using the onboard battery or the crank type system to be able to charge other devices. The final part of the kit is just a bag, somewhere to keep all of these things together. This is just a nice little one that I found, but anything you have that holds it all together would be good. So I'm going to put in my owner's manual, put my radio in there. I found that if I get the bigger items in first, then the other items will go in a little bit easier, and then just put in these different accessories. Zip it up, and there you have it, my emergency radio kit. Well, I hope that was helpful for you. I know it's been helpful for me to be able to pull these different pieces together so that I know that with my radio, I have all the little gadgets I need to be able to help this radio to work to its full potential. It's not a huge deal, but it's just a simple little kit to try to keep everything working well and keep it all in one place. If you are interested in any of the little products that I shared here, I will leave links to them below so you can track those down a little bit easier. Once again, I'd like to thank you for your time, and may God bless you as you prepare every needful thing. Thank you.